You guys know that I am absolutely crazy about backpacks, and today we got a backpack company called Crazy Pro Gear. Let's check them out. This is the largest backpack that I've ever shown off on this channel. Might even be one of the largest ones that I've ever used. This thing is massive, and it's a very specific use case for different people, but for me, you guys know I have tons and tons, literally, I think I have over 50 backpacks, but this kind of backpack is one I've never had. This is the kind of backpack that's not your everyday minimal kind of backpack. This is a very specific kind of backpack that people are gonna be looking for, and this is one that I wanna recommend because personally, I needed one and I found one. This is a large backpack that can be used for many different things, but today we're gonna talk about 3 specific use cases that I myself have used this backpack for. Number 1, you can literally go on a weekend trip or a week-long, maybe even a month-long trip with this giant backpack, but for me specifically, being able to take it for a week-long trip was amazing. Usually when I go on a trip like this, I take my regular backpack with all my tech gear, my MacBook Pro, all my editing gear, and then I have another backpack that's separate just for my camera gear and all the tripods and whatever that I might need. And then I have another backpack or suitcase or even a duffel with all my clothes for that week. With this, I put everything in this one backpack. And it was so convenient to just have it all in one place. So for me, scenario number 2 is for when I need to go droning. For me, I have the DJI Phantom 4 Pro drone that is freaking huge. Even that styrofoam carrying case for it, big as heck. And I can't even really fit all the accessories I need for it in that case. So I usually need to bring another backpack with me anyways. And then I also have my Mavic Pro drone. Now what I'm able to do is fit my giant drone case in here and use all the awesome little padded dividers just like a camera bag would have to fit my other little things like my other camera gear that I also want to bring when I'm going on a drone shoot. In general, what I'm trying to say is I can use this as a drone backpack as well for all my drone gear, accessories, the chargers, the stands, the filters, anything I could possibly need, I can fit them all in this backpack. Scenario number 2, for droning. Now scenario number 3, a little bit more unique, but I've actually seen it advertised for something similar. So this is a backpack that can fit a whole PC tower inside of it for when you want to go to a LAN party or when you just need to do whatever you need to do, carrying your PC around. But for me, I actually found it useful when my iMac 27-inch kind of broke down and needed to go to the Apple store. I did not want to risk carrying that giant, heavy, all-in-one computer, damaging the screen, that anodized aluminum maybe getting bumped and getting dented. I did not want to deal with that. The iMac 27-inch fit perfectly inside this guy. This thing even comes with this extra padded case that I put my iMac in to just give it that extra security. I was able to get it to the Apple store, get it fixed, and bring it home with no scratches, no dents, and it was so much easier than carrying my giant iMac like this around the mall. Besides the giant compartment that it has, it also has tons of little zippers and pockets and even dividers to slip little things into to keep things organized. My favorite zipper of all is the one that goes straight on your back though, because I'm able to put something safe, something expensive like my MacBook Pro in there and nobody can access that pocket as long as I have the backpack on. So that's a nice secret little pocket as well. My absolute favorite feature of this backpack, however, is all the loops and Velcro areas along the outside of this backpack that keep it so versatile, so modular, and make things so nice. You guys know I love carabiners, so I'm able to clip on hats, clip on a tripod, clip on this and that, and keep things nice and safe, but also keep things nice and secure even on the outside of my backpack. Now this isn't a long video at all. This is a what's in my tech bag backpack drone edition, giant bag edition. I just wanted to share this with you and there's not that much else to say. This is a big A backpack and it's very, very useful for specific use cases. If you're someone out there that's looking for a big backpack like this is the perfect one for you. Stop looking, you'll love this. But again, of course I know not all my viewers out there are gonna need a giant backpack like this. This backpack's made by a company called Crazy Pro Gear. Definitely check them out. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below for you guys to check out. For backpacks nowadays, it's not that expensive. It's around $180. I'd love for you to drop a comment below if you guys pick one up. Let me know what you're using it for, because I'd love to know what else I can use this giant thing for. So far, my next thing I think I'm gonna use it for is when I go camping again, which, if you haven't seen it yet, I just dropped a camping vlog for fun, talking about some camping tech and gear that I use. Go check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Jerry Lamb with NOBA Tech, and to the next one and beyond. Guess what? 3 videos in 3 weeks, 2019. Let's post a video every single week. Let's go.